Second question is write down the condition on x so that the expression of the given binomial is valid. Now here we are having 6 minus 5x square whole the power minus 2 by 3. To the given expression we can write in this form. Now this becomes 6 common 1 minus 5 by 6 x square whole the power minus 2 by 3, and to this we can write it 6 raised to power negative of 2 by 3 with 1 minus 5 by 6 x square negative of 2 by 3. Now condition for the validity. The expression is valid only when minus 5 upon 6 x square is less than 1. Okay, or this can be written as 5 by 6 x square is less than 1. X square is less than 6 by 5, x is less than 6 by 5. Negative of 6 upon 5 is less than x is less than positive of 6 upon 5. Answer.